Alright guys, and before we start the video, if you want a chance to win these exact turbo whistles that I used in today's video, look at all the exhaust from every single car featured in this video. These are my actual cars, the actual whistles I use. If you want a chance to win these, all you have to do is comment down below which one of the vehicles that were included in this video was your favorite, and also add me on Instagram at Mr. Random Reviews. I will select one of you randomly, and then I will send these out completely for free. I'll send them out to your address. So let me know, comment section down below, which is your favorite car featured in this video. And another very quick thing I want to talk about in today's video, I want you guys to take a look. This is actually my kitchen wall right here, just like I promised him. I hanged it up. This is actually a fan art. This is hand drawn, I believe. I'm not sure if it's pastel or watercolor. I'm not artistic like that, but it's absolutely beautiful. This was hand drawn. It's a painting of my Ford Crown Victoria when its former beautiful glory. Look at that, front and center, where everybody can see it, right on my kitchen. Of course, that wouldn't be possible without my good friend OSF Pony Boy Curtis. Make sure you guys check him out on Instagram, not only because he's a badass dude overall on a daily. I mean, if you're talking about motorcycles, he actually tows vehicles. He's run into some crazy stuff in his career. Either way, go ahead and add him on Instagram, and also add his brother Bailey's Got Heat. None of this beautiful masterpiece would have been possible without these guys, especially this gentleman right here. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than that, guys. Come on. Since you're going to be adding me on Instagram anyways to win those two whistles, make sure to show these guys some love. They definitely deserved it. Thank you. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and this is a turbo whistle. Now, what exactly is a turbo whistle? Well, that is a good question. A turbo whistle is essentially, this is what you're looking at. It's a device that takes the hot exhaust from your mufflers and converts them into the sound of a turbo spooling. So in theory, every time you accelerate your car, this is the noise that's supposed to come out of the exhaust. So you guys get the gist of what it's supposed to sound like. Now, the other question you might be asking yourself is, am I wearing a shirt? And the answer to that is no, I am not wearing a shirt. I live in the middle of nowhere, 17 acres. There's literally nobody in sight. I can walk around naked if I wanted to, but I'm not naked, guys. I'm not wearing a shirt. Relax, it's not the end of the world. So, like the title of the video says, I'm going to try this turbo whistle on every single car, on the Coyote Mustang. We're going to try it on the F-150, even the ATV. Hell, I'm even going to go ahead and test it out on the Crown Vic. But first, we're going to start off with a more tamed exhaust. We're going to start out with the F-150. It does have a Coyote motor in it, but the exhaust has not been modified, fully stock. So this should be our first best base result. So let's go ahead and put the turbo whistle to the test. But before you test out this little device, I just so happen to actually own a turbo car. So let's go ahead and head on down to the barn and hear what exactly a turbo spooling should sound like. That will be our control test. I bet a lot of you guys remember the Terminator Sentra, don't you? So by now you must be asking yourself, what can be better than a single exhaust turbo whistle? Well, to that I answer you, two exhaust, dual exhaust turbo whistle, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out on the Coyote Mustang. Let's see if maybe this has a little bit more pressure and you can get a better turbo sounding noise out of the Coyote. Let's go ahead and try it out. Ever wonder what a turbo whistle would sound like on an ATV? Hell, me too. Let's go ahead and find out. It actually sounds more like a turbo on the ATV. All right, and the last car we're going to try the dual turbo whistles on is this 2007 Ford Crown Victoria. The only modifications done to the exhaust is a muffler delete with a Cobra R side exhaust and dual pipes as well. So it should be interesting because they're going to be side by side. Let's hear what the hell these two sound like. So, oh my god, this is hot. Assessing the damage, one of them was blown out. Holy crap. Anyways, the lesson learned from today's video is stay away. Hold on, I think my GoPro was all foggy. Stay away from fake turbo whistles. If you want a real turbo sound, get yourself a real turbo car. It sounded great on the ATV, I'm not gonna lie, but it's such a tight fit that it actually might cause some of those exhaust fumes to kind of backflow back into the engine and all that, and might actually blow your ATV. Point is, you see this on the internet, guys. Stay away from it. Hope you guys learned a little something today. I'm not sure if the sound actually came out as well on the video until I edited it. Either way, hope you enjoy a compilation of really cool sounding cars. It's your boy, Mr. Random. I'll catch you on the next video.